Good morning, folks. Welcome to Quants App. This is Vicky Sajnani. Let's get started with the morning market brief. Well, on Friday, we shut shop at 18,328. That was Nifty 50 futures, down 0.75%. Down 0.6% was Nifty Bank futures, 43,286, thereabouts. Let's see where the SGX Nifty is pointing to. It's pointing to a 34 points gain. 18,363 is thereabouts as the expected open. Let's look at the charts. Well, 18,200, 18,000 happen to be the major levels. On the higher side, 18,500, 18,800, 19,000 are the major levels. So looks like there could be a mild bounce, but then that bounce needs to be sustained for an overall rally. But otherwise, on the negative divergence, we are seeing slippage in Nifty. And open interest picture showing long unwinding out there. That's the scenario which it's painting. The earlier longs are probably getting unwound now. And there are some shorts also erupting in the system. Well, looking at the open interest picture, 18,600 and 19,000 are the two major levels on the higher side. And 18,000 on the lower side is a very stiff point, 18,200 intermittent support. But then you're seeing put OI close to 18,100 also reasonably strong, considering the overall scenario. Looking at Bank Nifty, 43,300 thereabouts was where we shut shop, right? So we expect it to open mildly positive. 43,500, 44,000, 44,500 resistance points, respective supports. Of course, you're seeing 43,380 as the moving average, which is the 20-period moving average. And on the lower side, you have 43,000 and 42,500. Long unwinding here too, but then shorts have not erupted. So clearly, even Bank Nifty is something which is giving a kind of a signal, which is possibly that there could be some bout of correction and then move up on the higher side, unless shorts erupt. So that's a scenario. Looking at the Bank Nifty open interest picture, you're seeing 44,000 and 44,500 major levels. On the lower side, 43,000 is coming out across as a major level and 42,500. Looking at the top gainers and losers, Balrampur Chini, Kolpal, Coforge on the higher side, gainers. Top losers for Friday, Polycab, PNB, Glenmark. Looking at the contribution as such, all sectors in the negative, with IT contributing 31.65 points in the negative territory. You have PSU banks minus 10 points. You have close to minus 17 points, which is negative contribution from private banks. All in all, backing up a case of clearly, all sectors being in negative territory. No long sectoral long found. Cap goods, media, power, pharma, realty, all in the negative territory, short built up kind of scenario, which the open interest is indicating. We have one pick, Godrej Properties. You could see 1271 on this as a support, and the next major support is 1248. On the higher side, 1352, 1370 are the major levels, and then 1400.05 thereabouts. So 1294 it's quoting. On the breakdown 1250, we can see a momentum on this counter. So not to go in for an immediate sell positions or anything of that sort. We're just saying that from an indicative angle that there is a possibility that this could drop on a breakdown of 1250. And of course, for aggressive traders, we've already pointed out 1270 happens to be the support zone. So that's something which ought to be looked at. Looking at the open interest picture, not much open interest out there, some amount of long unwinding happening. Open interest also is rather shallow from the futures end. OI picture, we are seeing major support zone at 1200 and resistance at thereabouts of 1380, 1400 levels. The other stock which is on radar could be possibly M&M, supports 1206 and 1185, resistance 1297, 1320. So on a breakdown of 1250, one can consider, there is a possibility गिरावट के संकेत दिखा रहा है. अगर 1250 तोड़ता है तब देखेंगे कि भाई और गिरावट आती है कि नहीं आती है ये स्क्रिप्ट में. There is shorts built up clearly. Looking at the OI picture, 1300, 1250, two levels on the higher side. And 1200 is the major support which it's indicating on the put OI basis. Securities in the ban list: Balram Puccini, India Bull Housing, IRCTC, PNB, GNFC, Delta Corp, BHEL. So 18,200, 18,000 are the supports, 18,800, 19,000 are the resistance points for Nifty. And again, Bank Nifty, again 43,500, 43,000, 44,500, 45,000. And of course, you have, if it's 43,300 thereabouts, you could see the support zone of 43,000, and the other level is 42,500. So all positioned mostly in a spacing of 500 points here and there. Sectoral short built up cap goods, media, power. And the two stocks we discussed was Godrej Properties and M&M. Ban list was of course discussed. And what I would like to highlight is that please follow a strict stop loss while trading in derivatives, and please consult your financial advisor before trading in derivatives as such. That's it from my side. Wish you happy trading and all the best.